Let's make orange juice.
Making orange juice is a simple and refreshing process. Let me explain you how. First, select and wash the oranges. Choose fresh and ripe oranges for the best flavor and rinse them well. Secondly, cut and squeeze the oranges. Cut the oranges in half using a sharp knife. Squeeze the orange firmly to extract the juice. Continue this process with all the oranges. Then strain the juice. Strain the freshly squeezed juice through a fine mesh strainer to remove any pulp or seeds. Once done, add a sweetener only if you want. You may add a small amount of sweetener like sugar or honey. Stir well until the sweetener is fully dissolved. Next, chill or serve immediately. If you prefer your orange juice cold, refrigerate it for about 30 minutes before serving. Alternatively, you can enjoy it right away by pouring it into a glass filled with ice cubes. Finally, garnish and serve. For added presentation and flavor, you can garnish your orange juice with a fresh orange slice or a sprig of mint. Serve the orange juice and enjoy its refreshing taste. Remember, freshly squeezed orange juice is best consumed immediately for optimal flavor and nutritional benefits.